Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly enchanting to share with you. We're going to explore how you can transform your little one into an Arabian prince this Halloween with the Toddler Aladdin costume from Zasava. Highlighting the costume. Transforming your child into their favorite Disney character, Aladdin, has never been easier. This captivating costume includes everything your child needs for an unforgettable adventure. Inside the package, you'll find a vest and pants, all brand new and complete with tags. The attention to detail in this costume is truly remarkable. The cap sleeves and open front purple waistcoat are adorned with exquisite gold braided trimmings. It's the perfect ensemble to transport your child into the magical world of Aladdin. And don't forget the matching pants. They feature a metallic waistband and leg cuffs, held together by an elastic waistband with a self-tie belt. The right knee of the pants is embellished with a printed pattern for an authentic touch, highlighting the versatility. Now, what makes this costume even more special is its versatility. It's not just for Halloween. It's perfect for a variety of occasions, including cosplay events, fairy, themed parties, role play, and everyday dress. Up fun. Imagine the joy on your child's face as they step into the world of Aladdin and Jasmine, creating unforgettable memories along the way, highlighting the shopping experience. Now, before you rush off to get this incredible Toddler Aladdin costume, let's talk about your shopping experience with Zasava.com. They offer worldwide shipping with a few exceptions. All products featured on their website are in stock and ready for purchase, and they process orders within 48 hours. Make sure to double-check your shipping address and contact information for a smooth delivery experience. And while delivery times can vary, rest assured that Zasava.com works diligently to get your order to you as swiftly as possible, highlighting returns, refunds policy. But what if you encounter any issues or concerns with your purchase? Zasava.com has you covered. They offer a hassle-free returns and refunds policy. Just remember to contact them within 7 days of receiving your item. And please, before leaving any feedback, reach out to them. They are dedicated to maintaining high standards of excellence in their products and services, highlighting another option. And if you're looking for more options when it comes to Arabian Prince costumes, don't forget to check out Imsami's Kids Boys Arabian Prince costume set. This delightful costume captures the essence of Arabian royalty and is perfect for Halloween, cosplay events, stage performances, and more. The set includes a top and pants made with high-quality polyester material for comfort and durability. Plus, it even comes with a magic lamp, available in various sizes. It's a fantastic choice for your little one's imaginative adventures. Highlighting a customer review, but don't just take our word for it. We have a customer review to share with you. One family's experience with Zasava's Arabian Prince costume set was nothing short of enchanting. From prompt delivery to exceptional quality, it made their school function truly magical. So, whether you choose the Toddler Aladdin costume from Zasava or Imsami's Arabian Prince costume set, you're in for a world of enchantment and adventure. Conclusion. That's it for today's video, folks. We hope you're as excited about these costumes as we are. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and options. And of course, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our fantastic costume recommendations. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time for more magical content. Crafted with care, this costume boasts a blend of high-quality materials. The vest features plush and luxurious pluche fabric, ensuring both comfort and durability. The vibrant purple color adds an extra touch of authenticity to their transformation.